Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Lamyea Alam. I am your science teacher. From today we start our online science classes for class 5. Today we begin our chapter 6. The name of our chapter 6 is Food for Good Health. Before starting the chapter we have to know about balanced diet and healthy diet. So what is balanced diet or healthy diet? In general sense, a balanced diet or healthy diet means the right proportion of all food groups, such as when we take our lunch or dinner. In our serving dish, we have some rice item, we have some meat or fish item, and we also have some dairy products and vegetables also. The proportion of these all food groups in a right amount is called balanced diet. So the formal definition of balanced diet is a healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet that contains the right amounts of all food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy products, and protein. It does not include too much or too little of any kind of food. Now we will know about the food elements. All of us, we know that we have 6 food elements in our balanced diet. These are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is the main energy source of our body. We can get carbohydrates from potato, bread, roti, etc. Protein. Protein helps us to build up our muscles. We can get protein from beef, chicken, fish, egg, pulses, etc. Oil and fat. Oil and fat, we can get oil and fat from ghee, butter or soybean. Vegetables, cooked or any kind of fresh vegetables can be taken as a good source of vitamin and minerals. Fruits are also taken as a good source of vitamins and minerals, and we can take any kind of fruits such as mango, apple, orange, any kind of fruit juice and dry fruit also. In milk group, milk, yogurt, cheese, these are included, and from milk group we get calcium and vitamins also. So these are our 6 food elements. Now we will discuss about nutrients. Nutrients are the elements which is help us to grow and reproduce. So we have a formal definition of nutrients. Nutrients are essential for growth, reproduction, and good health. There are 2 types of nutrients. These are macronutrients and micronutrients. So in this way we have some knowledge about balanced diet and healthy diet and nutrition also. Now we will discuss about the importance of balanced diet in our daily life. So in our lecture sheet we have some points. Let's have a look on these points. Balanced diet is very important because our body needs proper nutrition to remain healthy. Number B, without proper nutrition, our body becomes more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and poor performance. Number C, children suffering from malnutrition run the risk of growth and development problems. Number D, eating excessive food may cause overweight issues. And number E is balanced diet leads to a good physical and good mental health also. Balanced diet helps in proper growth of our body. Number G, balanced diet increase the ability to fight or resist disease. And last of all, balanced diet also increase the capacity to work. So here is our 8 importance of balanced diet. So this is our end of first lecture. Now we have some questions based on this lecture. Just have a look on this question. Our first question is write the definition of balanced diet. We already discussed about the definition of balanced diet, so we can memorize it. There is nothing different. Number B, how many food ingredients are includes in a balanced diet? We already know about there are 6 food elements in a balanced diet, and those are carbohydrates, protein, oil and fat, vegetables, fruits and milk groups. We can also give one or two example with the groups of our with the groups. Number C, what is called nutrients? Write the types of nutrients. So, as I mentioned before, we have a proper definition of nutrients, and the nutrients are two types: macronutrients and micronutrients. Number D is write down the importance of balanced diet. We already discussed about the importance of balanced diet. There are 8 points. And our last question is what will happen in our body if we do not take a balanced diet? If we do not take a balanced diet, then it will be very harmful for our body. Let's have a look what types of problem we can suffer if we do not take balanced diet food. Number one is our body will suffer from malnutrition. If we do not take balanced diet food, then probably our body will suffer from malnutrition, because all the food items we are not take according to their proportion. Number B is the body will be attacked by different types of diseases. Number C is children will suffer from body and brain development problems. Next one is our body will lose the ability to resist or fight any kind of disease. And the last number E is it hampered our physical and mental growth also. So this is our end of lecture 1. We have 5 questions from lecture 1. What we can do, we can spend some time on our topic balanced diet, and we can for better performance we can memorize all the answer of these questions, and we can write them in our home copy. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.